Bootleg? They're actual eggs.
Like Starbucks egg bites. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan, and today we are going to make egg bites. Alright, so for the ingredients, you are going to need some feta cheese, Monterey Jack cheese. We used roasted red peppers, some sliced mushrooms, some spinach, and those are the ingredients we used for our egg bites. So I made two types of egg bites. Yo, Lido, come here. All right, so we made two different types of egg bites. We got the red pepper egg bites as well as the spinach and mushroom egg bites. We got a 12 cupcake pan, and that's how many egg bites we're gonna make. So 6 of each. So first off, what you're gonna wanna do is prepare your ingredients. And what we did was we chopped up the white mushrooms, chopped up the spinach, chopped up the roasted red peppers. I just like to use them diced, and we also sliced up our cheese. I couldn't find Monterey Jack that was shredded or anything, so we actually used sliced cheese, and I just diced them up so they can melt easier when you put them in the oven. All right, after you get up all of your ingredients, I use 12 eggs for a 12 cup tray. I think you can just use one less egg because they were pretty full. And when you add in some cream or milk, they do tend to expand quite a bit. So I'd say just use one less egg than the number of cups in your tray. Break up all your eggs and add in the seasoning you like. I put in peppers, Cajun spice, some thyme. Initially I put in salt, but it became too salty because I didn't realize feta has a lot of salt in it. So just keep that in mind. Scramble up your eggs and then you're pretty much good to go. What you gotta do next is take out your cupcake tray tin. I don't know what these are called. What are they called? What you can do now is prepare your muffin tin. What I like to do is use a little bit of Bounty and olive oil, and then just make sure you grease every single cup so that the egg bites can come out quite easily. All right, after you greased your muffin tin, you can just start pouring in those eggs. I actually ended up spicing the egg bites differently just because the feta was really salty and I wanted to make sure that those egg bites didn't have salt in them. So toss in your ingredients. Once again, for the red pepper egg bites, what I used was the roasted red peppers, Monterey Jack cheese, some feta cheese, and then for the spinach and mushroom, I just used spinach and mushrooms and some of that Monterey Jack cheese. As you can see here, I used up the spoon to mix up the ingredients to make sure that everything was distributed evenly. And once we did that, we were pretty much good to go. So now you can start cooking your egg bites. Just preheat your oven to around 400 and then you can put in your egg bites. I wasn't sure really how long to put the egg bites in, but I just kept an eye on them, and once they started to poof up, that's when I took them out. That was around 20 to 25 minutes. I should have taken video of me taking them out of the muffin tins, but because we greased them out, they popped out really easily. What's weird though is once they come out, they kind of deflate a little bit. So if you can see on this spinach and mushroom one, it's a little flat. I'm not sure why, but they taste really good. One of the main reasons why we love these egg bites so much is because they're like the perfect meal prep breakfast. It only took me about 45 minutes to make 12 of them, and you're good for the next couple of days. Sometimes in the morning I'm a little bit too lazy to cook, so having these prepped and in the fridge are really good because you can just toss them in the microwave and then you're good to go. They're a great way to clear out whatever vegetables you have in your fridge too, because you can pretty much put any combination into those eggs and they will taste very good. Let me know what you guys think about this recipe. What would you guys do different? And will you be making these egg bites? Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.